In this video, we'll see about how we can post to Chatter in a flow. Consider I have a scenario. Whenever my opportunity stage is moved to closed one, I need to post something in my Chatter. So in order to do that, we're going to create a record trigger flow. To create a record trigger flow, click on the settings icon, go to setup. In the find box, search for flows. Click on new flow. Select record trigger flow. Click on next. Click on auto layout. And we have to configure the trigger. So trigger the flow when only a record is updated. That means no opportunities is created with closed one stage. So that's the reason I just want to fire this flow whenever a record is updated and run the flow after the record is saved. Click on done. And here we have to select the opportunity. I mean object is opportunity and we have to write filter. We have to add filter to get the opportunity. So first filter is stage name should be is closed one and the other syntax is stage name should be is changed. It's gonna be true. Click on done. So now just click on this plus icon, click on action element, and here we have to search for an action called as post to chatter. And here I'm gonna name this as opportunity closed one post. And here we have to type the message. So I'll do one thing here. I'll just add a merge field. I'll just add an opportunity name, move to closed one stage. So this is my message. And here we have to, in the target name, we have to provide the record ID on which record this post should be visible. So I'm going to post it in the record, opportunity record itself. That is $record.id. And here in the advanced accordion, you can see a checkbox called as manually assign variables. If you want to store the feed item id, the feed item record id, you can store that in the in a separate variables. As of now, we're gonna not gonna do this. I'll just uncheck this and click on done. So now I'll just save this flow. I'll just name this as post closed one. And click on save. I'm gonna activate this flow. So now I'll go back to my Salesforce instance. I'll just create a new opportunity. Name this as, I'll just populate all the required fields. Initially the stage should be in prospecting. Now I'm gonna move this opportunity to closed one. And you can see here there are no posts in the chatter, but once I move this opportunity to closed one, our flow should fire. And you can see a new post has been created here. So this is the post test app 456 move to closed one stage. So this post is created from this flow. You can see this is my flow and you can see the body here. We are just adding a merge field here, that is nothing but the opportunity name move to closed one stage. The same thing has been populating here, test opportunity, this is the opportunity name move to close one stage.